Hey, I just received a gift. This is a brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is not the gift from any company. This is not a gift from my clients, or this is not a gift from my family members. I gifted this to myself. Every time when I achieve a milestone, I always ask myself, what is that something that I wanted to gift to myself? 3 weeks ago, we had a fantastic 1 day live event. On the way back from Michigan to Pennsylvania, I asked myself, what is the gift for achieving this successful milestone? And on the same day, they released this brand new iPhone, and I ordered that. And the reason I'm so excited, it's not because of Apple or iPhone, but the magic that I'm going to be creating with this iPhone. Before I go there, let me just open this. All right. Now I have the phone in my hand and I'm going to be unboxing it. This is my first unboxing anything video. All right. Bear with me. I'm going to be opening up this phone right now. I'm a little excited. I know. Wow, this is so good. The color is really good. This is, oh, it feels very light too. Here is the phone. It's pretty sleek. Very good, very good. Good feeling on my hand. And I'm very excited. I'm excited because this phone is going to be helping 1 million people. Yes, you heard it right. This phone is going to be helping 1 million people. All the wisdom, all the knowledge that I acquired over the years, I'm going to be sharing through this phone through 1 million people in the next 1 year. That is my goal. And now I'm asking myself, what is the gift that I wanted to give it to myself after helping 1 million people? I don't know that yet. But you know what? I'll find out something big that is going to excite me, something going to push me towards my limits. The reason I'm sharing this video, every time when you set a goal, when you set a milestone, always ask yourself, what is that gift that you wanted to give it to yourself after achieving it? There is always a little version inside of you. It could be a little boy or a little girl is always asking, what is in it for me? Definitely, we need to answer that question. For me, this phone after that milestone. For you, it could be something else. Hope this landed for you. Talk to you all soon.